The DJI Mini series has redefined what consumers expect from portable drones. Known for their compact design, intuitive controls, and high-quality imaging capabilities, DJI's mini drones have steadily set the standard in the drone world. With each generation, DJI has pushed the envelope on both innovation and accessibility, crafting drones that cater to hobbyists and professionals alike. The upcoming Mini 5 Pro, if that's indeed the next big release, is poised to be the most advanced drone in this lineup. Drone enthusiasts and industry insiders are closely watching DJI's every move, analyzing patterns and deciphering clues to figure out what groundbreaking features the Mini 5 Pro might introduce. One of the most requested upgrades for the Mini 5 Pro is extended flight time. Advances in battery technology may allow DJI to offer a drone capable of flying for up to 40 minutes or more on a single charge. With consumer demands growing for sharper, more cinematic footage, rumors suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could feature a larger camera sensor, possibly a 1-inch sensor capable of shooting 6K video. This upgrade would offer improved low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and stunning image clarity, making it a serious contender in the aerial photography space. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into consumer tech, there's growing hope that DJI will pack the Mini 5 Pro with smarter tracking modes, enhanced object recognition, and more intuitive controls. DJI is known for playing its cards close to the chest when it comes to new releases. Over the past few weeks, the company has released vague teasers, leaving the drone community to speculate. Fans are piecing together clues from cryptic social media posts, patent filings, and product codes to predict the Mini 5 Pro's features. One of the patents describes an advanced stabilization system, possibly for smaller drones like the Mini 5 Pro. Another patent suggests improvements in AI-powered flight modes. The Mini 5 Pro could use these algorithms to make the drone even easier to fly for beginners, with autonomous flight paths that adapt to the surroundings, ensuring safer and more dynamic footage. Lastly, patents related to camera technology point to higher resolution sensors and improved low-light performance, both key features that could make their way into the Mini 5 Pro. DJI's Mini series has always struck a balance between price and performance, making high-end drone technology accessible to everyday content creators. Despite offering highly advanced drones, DJI has managed to keep its products user-friendly. Features like automated flight paths, intuitive controls, and obstacle avoidance make DJI drones accessible to beginners without sacrificing quality for pros. If you're as excited as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay in the loop on all things drone-related.